Hope you are doing well. Today we will create this beautiful circular profile basket with the help of the SolidWorks. So let's start from here. I'm selecting the front plane and make it normal. From sketch I will select the center line and draw the center line here and this one, and I will select this and make it construction geometry, and from smart dimensions I will select this dimension as 40, press OK, and will select this point and this dimension as 115, press OK. Similarly I will select this line and this line, and from here I will give this angle as 110 degree, press OK. And from surfaces I will just select the revolve surface command from here and will select this axis and press OK. Now it has been drawn, and again I will make the front plane normal and sketch the front plane, and I will draw a line here and will select this point and this point, exit the sketch from here. Now I will just select the project curve from here and will select this surface. From here you can change the direction, and I'm not changing, and press OK. Now just hide this surface, and from the features select sweep boss or base from here and select this one and select circular profile, and I will give this dimension as 2.5, press OK. And from here I will show this one, and from features I will select the circular pattern, and the direction I will select this line, and from here I will select the bodies and I will select this one, and number of patterns are 25 here, press OK. Now I will just hide this one, and from the mirror command I will select the front plane, and from here I will select the merge solids, and the bodies I will select all these one and press OK from here. Now I will just hide this one, and from here I will select this one so it looks better. Now I will just again show this one and hide these parts, and here I will select the sweep boss or base, and here I will select the circular pattern and will give this value as 3, and here I will select this one and press OK, and again I will hide this one and will show all these bodies. Now it has been created. Now I will just give the appearance to our circular profile basket, and from here I will select the green color and press OK. It looks better. That was all about today's tutorial, and if you did not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it so that we will meet in a new project with a new exercise or a new tutorial.